Hey, good afternoon, everybody. Jeremiah Conger here from Annuity Association. And here we are in the first week of May 2021. So I'm back to provide another market update in regards to the fixed annuity marketplace. We're going to be looking at the current fixed annuity rates, or what's also referred to as the multi-year guaranteed annuity rates. And we're going to be taking a look at the entire independent annuity marketplace to see where the insurance companies are stacking up in regards to the current 3-year, 5-year, 7-year, and 10-year fixed annuity rates. So if you're in the market, you're looking for an alternative to bank certificates of deposit or bonds or any other type of safe money instrument, fixed annuities offered by insurance companies are a very suitable alternative to help you earn a safe rate of return. And the best part about it is that these fixed annuities are generally 2 to 3 times higher than the current bank CD offerings that you can find out there today. So before we get started, let me go ahead and share my screen. I am going to get into our handy dandy disclaimer, and then we will dive right in. So bear with me. I'm going to go ahead and share my screen. Okay, so we are reviewing the State of the Fixed Annuity Market Report of May 2020. This is a review by Annuity Association. This is a review, not a recommendation to buy or sell an annuity. No insurance company has endorsed this review in any way, nor do we receive any compensation for this review. This review is meant to be an independent review at the request of website visitors so they can see our perspective when breaking down the positives and negatives of this particular annuity. Before purchasing any investment product, be sure to do your own due diligence and consult a properly licensed professional should you have specific questions as they relate to your individual circumstances. All names, marks, and materials used for this review are property of the respective owners and not that of AnnuityAssociation.com. While care has been made to ensure this review is complete and accurate, no guarantees are made to the completeness or accuracy. Okay. Thanks for bearing with me through that. So let's go ahead and dive in. Before we get started here, I also would just like to say, thank you to all of the viewers that have been tuning in for all of the product reviews and market reports that we've been putting together. The feedback has just been so incredible, so positive, and from both agents, advisors, and clients and prospective clients, everybody's had just nothing but great things to say. So I'm very thankful for that feedback, and it just continues to motivate me to put this content together to help people make educated decisions on annuities in retirement. So if you'd like to work with me directly, you can visit our website at AnnuityAssociation.com. Right there on the main page, click the green button to request your free report, and it'll ask you if you'd like to be contacted by an advisor. Simply answer yes, and I will personally reach out to you in a timely fashion to see how I can help point you in the right direction. And I would be grateful for that opportunity to work with you. I do serve all clients in every state in the United States. So whether you're in Florida, which is my home state, or Texas, California, all 50 states, I work with people virtually using Zoom or phone call, whichever is more convenient. I prefer Zoom so I can share my screen and help educate you on what it is we're looking at. So without further ado, let's go ahead and dive into the current offerings for the fixed annuities, or best fixed annuity rates currently offered on the independent annuity marketplace in May 2021. So here for the first section, we're going to be looking at the 3-year surrender period products. So if you're not familiar with what surrender period means, it's basically a time commitment. When we're looking at a fixed annuity, they are a time deposit required vehicle. So in exchange for zero market risk and a guaranteed interest rate, the insurance company requires you as the consumer to keep your monies in this account for the associated period of time. So here on this first section, we're looking at the current 3-year product offerings. And we'll see we have Ocean View Life coming in number 1 at a 2.25% guaranteed compounded annual interest rate. So that's a yearly rate, and very competitive there at 2.25%. And you'll notice here it's showing what the ending contract value would be after that 3-year period. If you were to put in $100,000, for this example, it'd be approximately $106,903. We then have Bankers Elite 3 coming in at 2.15%, and then Gillico coming in at 2.05%. Now, Some of these annuities will offer a free withdrawal provision, usually after the first year. So if you're looking to supplement your retirement income and maybe just withdraw interest on an annual basis, or maybe a little bit of interest or all of the interest and a little bit of principal, you can do that with some of these products. And the Ocean View product here does include a 10% free withdrawal provision starting in year 2. You'll see the Bankers Elite product has no free withdrawals, and the Gillico product starts at 5% free withdrawals after year 1. Okay, moving on. 5 years coming in. Number 1 is Silac Insurance Company at 2.8% guaranteed compounded interest rate, and that's an annualized rate. You'll see 100,000 would grow to 114,806 at the end of 5 years, and this product does not include any free withdrawals. We have Bankers Elite with their 5-year product coming in at 2.8% as well. No free withdrawals, and basically the same exact product, just a different company that's offering it. So you can see they're both competing with each other. And then we have Nassau coming in at also a 2.8% rate at 114,806 at the end of the 5 years. Oops, go back to that. There we go. Okay, so you'll notice just last month in April when we did this review, Nassau's offering was 3.1%. So we've actually seen in the fixed annuity rate marketplace, the rates actually revert or decrease versus the other way. So Nassau last month or the month before was around 3.1%. You can see today's offering in May of 2021, it's only 2.8%. So they have gone down. So the 7-year products, we have Ocean View Life coming in number 1 at 2.9% annualized compounded interest rate. We'll see 100,000 grow to 122,154 at the end of 7 years. And that product, again, does include a free withdrawal provision of 10% after the first year. We have Bankers Elite coming in at 2.9. No free withdrawals there. And then Nassau coming in also at 2.9 for the 7-year. And then rounding out our report is the 10-year section. We're going to look at Ocean View coming in number 1 at 3.1%. Again, free withdrawals of up to 10% per year starting in year 2, and 100,000 growing to 135,702 at the end of that 10-year period. Guggenheim coming in number 2 at 3%, 10% free withdrawals after year 2, and Sentinel Security Life 2.9% with no free withdrawals. Now, we'll quickly sort this report to look at only A- rated or better companies and just go back through them very quickly. Some people are more inclined to want to work with an insurance company that has an A rating or better. Totally understandable. At the end of the day, what matters most is that you're comfortable with the product and the insurance company that's offering it. And it's my job to help you identify with and locate that product and that company based on your needs and what is going to make you most comfortable. So if you're looking at the best of the best and financial stability is important, then I can help you with that. If you're just looking for the best guaranteed rate and you're okay with a B+ or B++ rated company, I can also help you with that too. At the end of the day, I work for you. My job's to help you get comfortable with what it is you're buying. So 3 years, Ocean View, obviously number 1 at 2.25% annualized credited interest rate, 10-year free withdrawals. Then we have F&G coming in at 1.95, interest only free withdrawals on that product. And then Sagicor coming in, they're also an A- rated company, 1.9%, 10% free withdrawal starting year 2. If you look just to the left of the insurance company name or right of the insurance company logo, that's where you'll find our financial stability rating, which is according to AM Best, which is the largest independent insurance rating company in the United States. On the 5-year products, we have Americo, which is an A-rated company coming in with their Platinum Assure 5, 2.7% annualized credited compounded interest rate, 10% free withdrawals on that product. And then F&G, A- rated, 2.55% compounded annual interest rate and interest-only free withdrawals there. Gosh, I keep clicking the wrong button. I'm so sorry. And then Sagicor A- at 2.55%, free withdrawal starting at 10% year 2. 7-year Ocean View at 2.9%, F&G at 2.8%, and Great American, which is our first A+ rated company to crack the top 3 with their Freedom Elevate 7, and that's at a 2.75% guaranteed yield to surrender. They do also offer a 10% free withdrawal provision in that product. And then in our 10-year, we are looking at 3.1% from Ocean View Life coming in at number 1. Oxford Life, which is an A- rated company, coming in at 2.7, and Delaware Life coming in at an A- rating with 2.5%. So that's going to wrap this up. It was short and sweet. Definitely appreciate you tuning in. I hope that this is adding some value to your journey when it comes to shopping annuities and trying to find the best product for your particular needs in retirement. If you'd like to work with me directly, I would be honored to do that. And you can go to our website at annuityassociation.com. Right there on the main page, click the green button to request your free report, and I will reach out to you in a timely fashion to see how I can help point you in the right direction. So again, this is Jeremiah Conjure with Annuity Association signing off. Thanks so much, and we'll talk to you soon. Take care of one another.